the streaming from YouTube to Zoom? Yes? Okay. There you go. So we're going to move into the Zoom meeting.
When you say start, you start.
Okay. So this is the group number 1. Okay, the predicted load 164 newtons. And it would be nice if you go back and check. So we're about to start. Let's start. Noah is going to tell us when the loading is going to be applied.
Daniel?
So are they seeing the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Are
So
they
they see the bridge.
So
I think you get
Thank you, Matthew. The YouTube channel is there.
And just so they know, there is a delay on the YouTube, about a 5 to 10 second delay, so they'll see it on Zoom before they see
Okay.
it on YouTube.
So I'm being notified that it's 5 seconds delay with the YouTube transmission. So we're going to start loading.
loading started.
Wow. Okay, we're missing all the
And
the
And the peak is 777.
peak load 777.
Yes.
There you go. We should have music, don't we? Yes. Okay. That's fine.
This is too big.
Can we move to the next slide, group number 2?
Yes.
Group number 2, the civilians predicted load 247.6 newtons. So I guess this year is only with emojis. Yes. Okay. Group number 2.
Loading started.
I hope that everyone is enjoying the mode of failures.
Peak load.
Observation.
Peak load is 1,331.
1,300. Okay, there you go. So
What's the prediction?
please
247.
volunteers, hope that you're recording the loops. Let us know if you're recording the loops. And judges, please finish the scoring and you send us the files for us at the end to be able to complete
We're
this
ready.
scoring. Much appreciated.
Very nice.
Slowing. Is this the next one or are we skipping this one?
Group number 3,
This is
the dynos predicted load 1,085 newtons.
it's not fitting. The height is more.
Now we're having audience. Does it work?
Oops. Yeah, the bridge is taller than it should be. It's up to you.
So we need to move to the next one. Let's move to the next one.
She's out.
We did not check that one. Group number 4. Sorry, can you check if we can have one? Group number 4, civil strategies, predicted load 394.
Daniel, just give me a second.
This is the one that you bet? Okay, many people bet into this one, let's see. So here we are that we're betting. Good. One.
Why is it?
No?
It's not.
Yes.
What is giving?
I believe it's I want to. It's easy to
Do
stop.
we want to? No.
Whatever you want.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Dr. So Haley and Matthew, please let me know if you're receiving copy of the judges' scoring.
Okay. Ready now?
Stop. We move to left. Move over. Down. Towards the camera. Perfect. Yep, you're good.
Yeah, is it? Right, this is one.
Force.
There's no way we can fix it anyway.
Loading started. Peak load is 1,528.
1,000 people.
1,528.
1,500. Very good, group number 4.
1,500 or 1,525?
1,528.
28.
Thank you.
Did you forget to discount the safety factor load rate in group number 4? There you go. So let's move into the next
Is
one.
it adjusting? No, because I moved it.
Professor,
It's all right.
Vera,
Yes.
Rotate
saying that you guys have the wrong predicted load. That's not what they stated.
Oh, look, Reed, what was the load predicted there?
Predicted 1,180.
What? Okay, so
This is
that
group
is
five.
on Laurent over TA. What is the TA?
You will find
So-
the sticker somewhere.
Yes.
Yes, can you please
It's on the top
compare
member,
that one? So we're gonna check
the
that
other
one.
side.
Thank you.
Look, Reed, again, what was the
Group
load
five.
again?
1,180.
Oh, okay, there you go.
So this is a wrong predicted load?
No, it's fine. That's a different group.
Dr. Najo? Dr. Shrive?
Yeah, thanks, Jeff. And could we get the email of the TA to whom we send the scores?
Oh, you can send me them to me and then I can send it to them. But,
Okay.
or Haley, you can send him, then he will know your email. Thank you.
Well, put your email in chat, Haley, and then we can use it.
Yes.
Okay, we will
Okay,
start.
group number 5, predicted load 1459 newtons. Loading, or it's gonna be about to load.
Started loading.
That's pretty cool.
Peak load 2,797.
That's great.
We're busy. Yes. Okay, go ahead.
Group number 6.
Huh?
So for every group, please make sure that the load that we are showing here is the one that you predicted. So we took out of those out of your reports. Probably we made
So to advance.
Next one.
Just look at
Group number 6, trust the trusses. Predicted load 453.4.
I think that's the wrong predicted load for our group.
So what is the predicted load, Max?
Our final predicted load for ultimate strength was like 1,133.5 newtons.
Okay, is that in the report? Because we collect that at the report.
It was in the report, however, the 453.4 is the allowable, considering 2.5 for the factor of safety.
Oh, there you go. So, can you please,
Sure, I will send it here.
Ashley? Well, yeah, as long as Ashley Haley, the people that is working right now in the calculating table, is okay. So I think we're okay.
Okay, start. Loading started.
Okay.
Peak load 2,815.
2,000. Hey, we have people, people to very good.
I think it'll go below.
Okay.
Where is the mouse?
Here, I have it.
So I got.
Okay, group number 7, clumsy badgers. Sure. Predicted load 2,470 newtons.
Excuse me, that's not her bridge.
Okay.
Oh wait, hold up.
Daniel,
You got a different one?
group number 7, that is not the bridge. Thank you, Charlene. Yeah, okay, just to let you know, every bridge has the tag, and we, all the people here put the time to put numbers on every bridge, just to let you know it's tagged, it's numbered, and we have all your mind maps and things, so it's some of the people who visit to the university are taking the chance to be part of the presentation today. Okay,
Okay.
group number 7.
Loading started.
Connection failure.
That's it.
There you go.
Peak load 1,467.
Very nice.
I hope that you mentioned to the judges that the material they were using is recyclable. Okay, and environmentally friendly. Group number 8.
Did they record? Are they recording the failure load after me?
Okay, what is it? 1,037.
400, it was 37.
You record it? Haley, Ashley, do you record the last load?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
1,437.
My reset.
Because I think we're going to such high loads. It's,
Okay, let's move into the next
the
group.
peak is always going to be off, you know how to.
I heard
Peak's always like 5.
37. She said 37.
Group 8.
Group number 8. The grade 8 predicted load 602. And
Loading
please,
started.
you notice that it's not the group load, just notified. Wow. Ashley, by the chat.
I don't think it'll break.
Oh,
That's it.
check. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
4,000.
Peak load 4,328.
4,000.
328.
Very good. 4,328. Very good. But this is the heaviest one, is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that is one of the only downsides of this one. They were over the material provided by each group. So each group should have 2 spools of materials. They didn't have appropriate quality control and quality assurance in that part. So, but there you go. We got so far the lowest mark. Now group number.
What is this group number?
Group number 9.
Yeah,
Team.
group 9.
predicted load 47.6.
Should I get it? We should put a
Do we have enough?
perfect. Let me check. Oh my goodness, it changed.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Okay, ready. Loading started.
It's done.
Is that what it's done?
It's done.
Done!
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Okay, the predicted load.
It is pause, like the point.
45.
45 meters. Well,
Well, they got the
actually, very good.
I thought there were tubes inside.
Yeah. Okay, very close to the predicted load. That is one of the meters that I hope that you're reflecting in your ENCI. Oh. You're delivering the promises.
10.
Now, group number 10, fantastic 5, predicted load 1,483.2 newtons. Is that enough?
Just take me, just take me.
Yeah, you can slide it over. You just gotta go all the way around.
Okay, good now.
Is this okay for group number 3? Is there a way that we can include another supports?
Number 3.
Yeah, for the one that is not.
We can't move support on this thing.
No?
No, this one's fixed.
Okay, let's start.
Loading started.
Let's start it then. Done.
Having too much fun, Daniel.
Failure load 2,372.
2,372. Great, thank you. Now we're getting ready for the second.
Yeah, you can be right, Daniel. Streaming all these through
Group
here. You know that, right?
11, civil escape, predicted load 1,286 newtons. Shane, the criteria of the weir is based on the weight-load ratio.
When you
I had shared with you the Excel file, how we're gonna calculate it, and we're gonna show you.
Tell me when you're ready.
How much material do you use?
I'm ready.
What was the predicted load? How close the predicted load is? And we're gonna calculate it.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Based on that, we estimate who is the winner. Okay? Group
loading
11.
started. That's it.
Connection, that's all.
Failure load 2,062.
2062. I wanna keep that. There you go. Group number. Do you record it for the 11 number? Careful. Group number 12, the builder's predicted load 1,275 newtons. No, it's better.
Just
Why don't you use? Let's use the.
It's
it
gonna
would be
rock.
swinging.
It's not flat.
Loading started.
That's it.
Peak load 1,224.
Wow,
Oh wow, this is very close to
that
the
was
ground.
very
Yeah.
close. Very good.
This one's gonna be good. Really solid.
Group number 13. Yes. Okay, so make sure that you send the message to Ashley or to Heidi in the private chat. No, on the chat. They are collecting the things. So you are. Lynn, what was the predicted load?
The predicted load for the whole truss system was 868.4. That was for
With
432. The 434.2 was for the one row.
Group 13, 434, so the load has to be corrected then, 800.
You can start. Loading started.
Gee.
One of those pins went all the way over to that wall.
No, it's not
2,460.
fly off though, right?
2,460. 2460.
2,460 meters. Yes, it flew all the way, so be careful with the pieces that goes there. Very good. Now, group number 14. Keep it simple, predicted load 1,570.
Professor, her is upside down.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. See? It's happening in the real thing. Okay. Very good observation. Happy now? Yes. There you go.
Pins and dovetails. Okay.
There you go.
Wait. Good to go. Loading started. That's it. Done. Failure load 1,595.
Wow! Okay. 1,500. There you go. We're getting there. Good. Good. Let's move to the next one. The civil tips. Predicted load. Please let me know if that is a predicted load. 320 newtons. And if it's not, let Ashley or Haley know. Okay, we're skipping the number 3, so we're trying to figure out what to do, guys, because it's a little bit over the top of the limit that we have. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Let's see what we can do.
Then you wait. Start. Loading started.
So there's no way we can for that. We're going to find solutions. Is that way too high?
Failure load 2,362.
Wow, 2,362.
362.
Very good. Good job.
No, this is too high. Too high maximum. Like the wall. You can't take it.
Okay, the group number 16 is requesting a very important thing. Can you put a plywood on top? Okay. Let's see.
No, I think it was good with that.
Group 16, please. Diamond stats. Then they're asking to put the plywood on top for that one.
I might not be able to. Just look at the bridge. Yeah.
Professor, our predicted load was 400 oh wait.
Yeah, that's not our bridge.
I think she'll barely make it.
Oh, they're just checking.
Maybe it might be bumped on that.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
I don't think it's gonna be. Try it.
We're trying to figure out what to do with the group number 3.
What bridge are we on?
So we're supposed to be in group 16, but they said that it's a different. Okay, let me check if that is your group. That is a 16?
Yeah.
Okay.
My pressure's coming down in this direction here, so
Where are you using
not there.
the plywood?
They want the plywood?
Yes, they want the plywood. Yeah, me too.
Okay, we're ready to go.
Oh.
Loading started.
Wow. There you go.
Peak load 4,178.
4,507.
No, 4,178.
4,178. Very good. Okay, group number 3. All the volunteers, so you can imagine that it happened. Look what happened when the quality control of quality assurance is not proper. So right now we're trying to count the top of core, a little bit of your section, okay? Just to let you know that we have a lot of people working today to make possible this presentation. Okay, are we getting ready for group 17?
Yep.
Group 17, civil stumps, predicted load 822 newtons. Please make sure that that is the load, so we wanted to make sure that whatever is recorded is what we're going to use. We're ready to go to calculate the weight load ratio.
Loading started.
Oof.
Peak load 3,193.
Can you see it? 3,000.
193.
3,193. There you go. That's it. So let's move into the next group.
This direction.
Group 20. Okay.
What's next, Noah?
We're supposed to move to group 20. We're gonna let you know why in a minute. As to check
That's brilliant.
the predicted load, 36
Brilliant.
newtons.
Like it.
Can you say it again?
That's for both sides, like the one side was 300 newtons, and then the
So that is the correct number to be used. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Chris, for the results. Already we are collecting the results. So Candace, thank you so much for the results.
Loading started. Peak load 2,306.
Yes. I hope the second year students are getting a good sense. How's the competition, the design process, everything that we've dreamed so far, and the predicted load. So Ashley, did you record that one? Yes. Very good. So are we ready for next one?
Yep.
Okay. Group number 21, the Mentis. Actually, I like your sketch, by the way. Predicted load, 717 newtons. Can I do some adjustments anymore? Okay. best final exam that we can ever have. I hope that you're feeling the same. You're having so much fun. Now,
Yeah, we can go.
group 21.
Loading started.
Jeez.
Look at that. It's worse than
Yes.
anything together. It's worse than twins.
It unplugged it in the camera and everything.
9,380.
What happened when the material is brittle, right? Very good.
So the only thing that can make that better.
Let's move to the
Shoot them straight down through the center of that.
number 3 first. Okay, so we're gonna try to do the number 3.
Yeah.
So notice that some adjustments, we have to do some adjustments due to the clear distance that we have. So I hope that the group is okay with it. So we just took this big portion. The predicted load is 1,085. Thank you so much for the adjustment.
Give me a
So we're
second
ready to
then.
load.
Good to go. Loading started.
The connection. There you go.
Peak load 3,091.
Are you 19 first or?
3,091 peak load for group number 3. And we're gonna do, we're gonna do the last one?
What's the next one, Moha?
I think it was the number 18. The Magnificent 4.
This is the short one.
Okay, so right now we have the special cases in our competition. Okay, number 3, we fixed it. Number 18. Number 18, we discussed many times that the span this year had changed. It's not 550. Remember that every year I change conditions of the project. So this year is 650. So we're gonna test the bridge, but let me tell you that we wanted to make sure that we're gonna test it. But you have to notice that the span that you use is the same span that was used last year. So 650 is for this year. So right now the technicians are gonna do the best to adjust the supports. And we're gonna predict, but notice that we're gonna count for that, okay? So the span design is not the one that we predict, we specify for this year. Cindy, we're gonna have group number 19, right? So is that?
19's last.
Yeah, so we're gonna have the last one because for the group 19, due to the special configuration, we need to add a little bit of gadget or tool to our testing machine today, okay? I hope everyone is having fun, and I appreciate that we have 130 people attending today these meetings. Everyone is attentive to the final marks. So I hope that the team, volunteers are doing the best to be consistent with the marks and make sure that at the end,
Loading
the
started.
Thursday winners is within the range. Okay, 137 newtons, Magnificent Fort. Yeah.
100.
100 newtons, okay, 100 newtons was the predicted load. Read the project specifications. This year was 650, very important. Now, we're gonna move to group 19. And the special condition for this one is that the configuration is atypical. And that's why we need to add additional gadget to make sure. Please let us know if there is a way that you want to back the truss. Okay, so Kevin is doing his best to accommodate it.
Loading started. Peak load 2008.
2008, the peak load. We're done, right?
Can we throw in a random candidate?
Okay, we have one special project that was done by the TAs and interns that are being practiced at the university in the makerspace. So they want us, or they want to test their prototypes. So why not? We're having party here, so we have a lot of
Who's kidding me?
conditions. Okay. Do you have a predicted load?
4,000.
4,000. 4,000 is the predicted.
0.286.
Okay.
Loading started. Oh wow.
Good job. Keep going.
Whoa!
2,000. Watch your eye, 1,000. Explode. 10,000.
Good job.
10,285.
10,000. Very good. I just want to say that we're having such a good time
Oh, wow.
here. We're having
Hey, really?
Yeah.
And
Even though we put way more
for me,
material.
it's very special to see all the designs and everything that we have done this year. I have so much fun, even though I didn't have the opportunity to celebrate with you today.
Oh, so it's
Here's
nice.
something else.
Don't know about the other piece yet.
Now, so far, let me see. We can ask if you have final results. Do you want to discuss something before we say something? Ashley, Haley? You want to discuss anything? Do we have final results already?
Rotate it.
We're just waiting on group C results.
Who is the group C? Dr. Simon Lee?
That's why
I
I took
think
them.
one is working on it. And
Or we're waiting for that, but we have a load to weight ratio ready. If you want that.
yes. So let's start giving some.
Daniel.
So, first place for the load to weight ratio is group 21.
Wow! Group number 21. Let me see.
Is group 16.
Group
And
six.
third place is group 5.
There you go. Way to go. For weight load ratio. Okay.
Last place, should we say last place? Fourth place. Fourth place is the civil stocks, group 17.
Okay. Very good. So right now we are having great work. Definitely, congratulations and good job, everyone. I totally agree with those things. I wanted to hear anything from the judges. Any of the judges wants to say anything? Right now we have everyone into the room. So we have 100 people here. Anyone who wants to say anything? The judges' comments?
Professor Vera, I would just say, like, say I'm delighted to get asked to participate again this year. It's a lot of fun, and I enjoy looking at different designs, and
Thank you, Mike. Yes, this is your second year, actually. Great. Thank you so much.
very welcome.
Yes. Yes.
16, 21, and 5.
Any comments from the third year students? This year we have any special guests and they were hosting the groups this year.
What are these?
I hope you guys had a lot of fun and learned a
No,
lot.
they're still calculated though. I still want to see.
One of the
16,
coolest
21,
classes that I can be a part of. It's unfortunate you guys couldn't see them smash in real time or in real person. That was
five cancer labs because everyone had it. So they're going to do that last year. Doesn't either really good.
All your hard work's meant.
This one they good, this one they shit. This one they really
Yeah,
good.
I agree with Ashley. So it was also saying that you guys were just together, even though everyone was remote. Because last year was a lot of hands-on work and also having that so you guys did put out awesome projects and it was awesome. So yeah, just
Look, you can get what is out of you, which is definitely, I'm gonna collect some of them. But if you ask, we're gonna keep some of them for a couple of days. I'm gonna ask the technicians how long, then you can pick it up by pieces, 8 weeks. Okay? Then we can set up a time, because the restrictions that we have. Okay? That's it.
So much lower. This one has the high, this one's the best reading.
So let me see if Dr. Lee sent already the results. And,
Oh, really?
just like Lee.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, because we're gonna wait for your results, everyone, otherwise they will not be able to sleep. Thanks. Yes. Okay, in the meantime, we need to close the, we need to close the streaming. And if one, I don't see the results yet from Dr. Simon. But I'm gonna collect it as soon as I get, I'm gonna put it here. So far we have the winners in the weight load ratio. Congratulations to those groups. And of course I'll give it to judges and I have to be fair and then be fair. So we need to collect those, right? So we need to wait for those results. And Candace, thank you so much for your presence today and for the support to the secondary students today. So as soon as I get the results from Juan and from Dr. Simon Lee, I will share with the group and I will post the final winner and share with everyone. But I believe we're about to finish the streaming and I just want to say thank you again. If there's any question, any comment from the students?
I have one more question actually. It's regarding the final TA bridge. I was wondering if that was one whole piece or there was what kind of connection was.
Actually, there were 3 pieces in it, and they were. What was the connection they used? They were asking about your connection.
It uses dovetails.
Dovetails, yeah. And what was the percentage of infield that we used?
Same as you guys.
Yeah, it was the same percentage infield that we used, and the type of connectors it was.
Dovetail.
Very good. Any comment from the students this semester?
Whatever's been divided by.
Thank you again, Dr. Duncan. Thank you again, Dr. Lestrade, for taking the time this afternoon to be with us online again. But I think it's going to be okay. So I hope everyone agreed that due to the conditions that I want to collect information from Dr. Simon Lee and Juan, I will be posting the final winner. So far we have a declared winners for the weight load ratio. Congratulations. And well, I think it's everything if it's no more questions. Can we go? Daniel, are you okay with go? Thank you so much for the support. Without the technicians, and where is Kevin? Kevin, he was the start of this semester. Everyone wants to say thank you for all the support that you did to the groups. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. So I hope that I'm going to be working really hard today and tomorrow, and I hope to have your final marks before the beginning next week. Okay? Thank you.
Professor, have a wonderful, and thank you, Professor, and everyone. Thank you so much, Professor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys next year. Thank you very much.
For sure. Looking forward to meeting you all.
Which card did that come from? Don't this way.
Thank you for the year for year. You did an excellent job.
The,
Without your support today, I'm not sure
yeah.
I would be so proud.